Dedicate less than 10 minutes a day. You can ease and prevent back pain. There are several causes, but the most common cases are created by poor physical postures and lack of exercise. These movements can be done in your bed just before sleep, so you cannot complain that you don't have time. It is a great idea to unwind and unblock in the night so the stress and tensions accumulated during the day will not get frozen in your body and create more problems in the future. As an additional bonus, you will have better sleep. Hi, thank you very much for joining our temple. If you haven't yet, please subscribe now. More therapeutic videos have to come. And we would highly appreciate if you could share your experience in the comments after a few days of trial. That would be an inspiration for others and inspiration for us to create more videos. And if you have any questions and doubts, please feel free to ask and we will find time to answer them. Living in pain is not fun at all. I have suffered enough. 25 years ago, my back pain was one of the reasons that I joined a yoga course. And yoga has transformed my life totally in a few weeks. As we said in the beginning, our poor sitting and standing postures cause the back pain and the neck pain in the most cases. Please do a favor to yourself to take care of your spine. Be aware of how you sit and stand throughout the day. Be straight. Don't slouch into the computer and mobile, especially those who sit at desk for a long time. Hold your spine vertically straight. Have your shoulders back and your ears at your shoulder level. When you read and write, you don't need to push your head forward to look at the book. Just let your eyes reach into the words. Hold your spine straight so your mind will be thinking straight. Okay, now it's time to get into practice. This is supposed to be in a bed, but it was a spontaneous decision to make this video just before a therapeutic session for osteoarthritis. Hope this still serves you. Okay, now get into your bed or on a mat or on a towel. Be comfortable. Lie down on your belly with your elbows at your shoulder level, forearms and palms pressing down. Lift your right leg and push it backward to have an opening at your hip joint. Drop down and do the same with your left leg. Now push your chest and sternum forward to stretch your spinal column, especially all the vertebrae in the lower back. Now find a comfortable arch for your spine by adjusting the positions of your elbows and your palms. Make sure your shoulders are down and relaxed. Then close your eyes, feel your back, feel your spine. Breathe in and out slowly, noticing every movement happening in your body during the inhalation and exhalation. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Now lower your arms, face, and place your palms at the side of your chest. Gently push up to cat pose on all four. Place your palms in line with your shoulders, knees in line with your hip joints. Inhale, lift your head up and push your spine downward. Exhale, arch your spine upward and chin down to the throat. Repeat that several times. A great way to unwind your spine and back muscles. Move along with the breathing. Inhale up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, spine up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Repeat that.
Bring your knees together and gently bring your chest to your thighs, forehead down and arms backward. Some of you may find it a bit challenging. To make it easier, make fist with your palms and place one on top of the other and place your forehead on top of them. This is called child pose. It has a calming effect to our body and mind, especially to our nervous system. You may breathe softly and relax a little while, having that gentle opening to your back. Now support with your palms either side of your knees and come out of child pose. Then lie down on your back with your knees bent and feet flat, feet slightly wider than your hip joints. While inhale, lift your pelvis up. With exhalation, come down. Repeat that. This will help your psoas muscles to relax. You breathe in, lift up. You breathe out, lower your buttocks. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Inhale, exhale. Repeat that a few more times. Now come down, relax. Now you are going to move your knees side to side. Let the feet be wider than your hips. With exhalation, move your both knees to your side. While inhalation, bring them back to center and continue all the way to the opposite side while you breathe out. Repeat that 10 to 15 times, moving along with the movement of your breathing. Inhaling up, exhaling, moving to your side. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, up, breathe out to the opposite side. Inhale up, exhale, cross. Repeat. Now, slowly bring your knees one by one to your chest. You may hold them with your palms or a hug around if you can. Then lift your head up and move your forehead towards your knees. Slowly lower your head, relax your arms, extend your legs forward. Prepare for the final practice. If you're struggling with a great pain, please place something underneath your knees to support the weight of your legs. A rolled towel, mat or a pillow, etc. That will ease off pressure from your lower back. Be totally comfortable. Lying flat on your back without a pillow for 30 minutes to 1 hour can be highly effective for healing chronic back pain. Even better if it is on the floor, on a carpet, or on a mat. But please consider your age and physical condition. It is now time to forget everything else and calmly, peacefully enter into restfulness. If you are still feeling some kind of heaviness, stress, or tensions, let go through the next exhalation. Open your mouth, sigh out. Repeat that if you need it a few more times. Then quietly watch the natural flow of breath. That's it. You may repeat your personal mantra now, silently in your mind, or your affirmation. If you haven't got one, just repeat in your mind, my body is becoming healthier and healthier. Carry that positive feeling into the deepest state of relaxation. Be blessed. Shanti Om.